Today, I'm going to be doing a really fun makeup challenge inspired by the Hulk. Yes! It is part 2 out of my 14 days of Marvel superheroes. As you can see, I got my hair done today. I'm no longer blonde, I'm silver. I feel very Studio Ghibli. I like to call myself the mini Hulk because when I get mad, I turn into a little Hulk. You can ask my husband, he can verify that for you. Let's get started with day 2. That is unattractive. BRB. First, we're going to be applying the base, which is going to cover half of our face in green paint, and then powder that base until it is matte and completely set. Now I'm going in with some eyeshadow that is in different shades of green so that we get that contour of a face's natural structure without using regular foundation. I'm spending a particularly long time around the nose area because it's going to be the most prominent part. And then we're going to go into the eye area, which is going to be the one that attracts everybody to my face. And we're going to be using a angled brush to apply a black shimmery eyeliner all across my eye. I'm creating a very dramatic shape, and then I'm lining the bottom waterline with a light green eyeliner. We're probably at our halfway point right now with the Hulk look. I'm loving it so far. We got like Hulk on this side and then like Bruce Banner on the other side, which is just me as a human being. So we're keeping half of our face, or a little bit less than half of our face, and like human form, so that there is this dichotomy that happens between the Hulk and Bruce Banner. Yeah. At this point, I wanted to ask you guys what you want to see in the next video. Would you prefer to see the Black Widow, or would you prefer to see Captain Marvel? Comment down below right now with your choice. I still gotta do this part of my face, which won't take super long, but then this part is gonna be a lot of lines because I want to show ruggedness of the Hulk and also do like an abstract version of maybe the Hulk's wrinkles. So I'm just gonna draw the creases around here and just make it a little bit more dimensional. Add more texture, because we love texture. Alright, let's keep going. Back to work, we're now putting on a light green eyeshadow that has a lot of shimmer to it so that it really stands out in the middle of our eye. And I'm really just going in with a water-based paint and drawing a bunch of lines that resemble the Hulk wrinkles. I guess that's what we're going for. And I'm using a couple of different shades of green, light, apple green, dark green, so that it matches my eye look. And I'm using a spoolie brush to add some white texture around my face. And I'm concentrating the white on the areas where my natural highlights would be. Now we're just gonna add some concealer above my eyebrows and also underneath my eye where my dark circles are. And then I'm going in with a really fabulous dark green lipstick. Finally, I'm gonna pop on some eyelashes, add some black gel eyeliner to my top waterline, and then we're just gonna paint our neck. The same diagonal, but starting on the left side and moving down towards the right. This way I get a really cool pointed arrow effect. The Hulk and Bruce Banner are both in this look. And this is the final look. What do you guys think? I know, don't come at me. I didn't want to paint this ear. Have my pearl earrings on. I don't want to get them dirty. So let's just photograph it from here. Nobody needs to know. And make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell because next week I'm going to do another superhero. Or you don't have to wait to find out what designs I made for the rest of the superheroes because they're all on my Patreon. This lipstick color makes my teeth look so white. I am the Hulk. Hulkinator. Damn, my hair really looks good with this look. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to watch this one as well. As usual, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!